Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Super Centers right here in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Gary.Christiance, but you probably see me and I'm the van guy. We've got a great trade today. It's a 2016 Winnebago Travato 59K. Rear bath, twin beds. And this bad boy's got 32,000 miles. I drove it over the pass, over to Redmond for a sportsman show, March 1st through the 4th. Handled great. Front wheel drive is a very nice feature. Electric steps already in the out position. We'll slip back in here. So, bathroom. I always sit down here to open up all the drawers. There's the shower curtain. Full extension drawers, so you got a lot of room in here. Closet. There's your privacy curtain, hanger space, all your other privacy stuff. So you can lock this here on the inside. So while you're in here taking a shower, etc., somebody doesn't open up the door. These do slide closed. Right here is your sink. It's a hidden sink. So there's your faucet, there's your sink. It drains down here. Got your shower nozzle right here. And of course, you're going to be, some people can stand up in here and actually do this and not have to sit down. Medicine cabinet up on top. Got a nice light up above. We're going to move back in this section. Now this is a 16 model. It doesn't have some of the features that you're going to find on a brand new 59K. There's no table that goes in here. There's no spots in the floor to put the table, because back then they didn't have that. This is a great price point, low mileage, one owner, and again, it's got great storage. If you open up all your cabinets, great storage all the way down. They're high gloss cabinets. This locks them up so they don't open while you're traveling. Back here you have your solar charger controller, generator start, your Truma heat, which is a very good system heating for your interior heat as well as your hot water. We've got two more storage up on top, customer package in here for all your information. DVD player, entertainment, flat screen TV. You can release it and actually put it outside. That's a nice feature. That way if you wanted to watch something outside, everybody can share in it. There's your mattress. Very comfortable. Kitchen. Big tall net faucet, which is very nice. It's got a little drain system in here for help wash dishes. 2-burner stove, recessed. You got your igniter right here. You got a glass to shelter the cabinets up above when you're cooking. It's got a compressor refrigerator. Anybody in the back of the class, hold your hand up. Yes, you. Compressor refrigerator, right. Can operate on uneven ground. It's much more efficient than the old style. They're all going to it now. So you've got a convection microwave. That way you can bake in here as well as use your microwave. Both seats turn around up front. You got Bluetooth. You got power mirrors. Now your mirrors on the driver's side, take a look at that. It's got a top mirror and a bottom mirror. There's a control to operate both of them, and there's another switch to hit it and they fold in. It's another feature on the Dodge Pro Ram chassis. Tabletop, well, for the co-pilot, there's your table. Driver's seat, you can utilize this as well as the countertop. Makes it really nice. And then you have a little storage compartment down here, and everybody goes, Gary, why in the heck is there a storage compartment? That's so when you sit down in here, you have some place to put your feet rather than going all the way down to the floor. It's power awning switch. He's got a power step switch, which we're going to cover on the way out. That hole down there is part of the heat system. They're throughout the unit. That's hooked to your Truma. It's got pull down MCD shades. So if you put the step back in, you'll notice Grab handle, not a grab handle. That's your screen door. Newer models have an option of a full-length running board rather than the step. That's an option you can get. As I mentioned, electric awning that'll come out a couple inches or 8 feet. You can attach the legs to the side of the unit right here to help you with a wind problem that might rip your awning off. You have an outlet here for a solar hookup, external. Cable and 110, or 12 volt and 110 over here. Speakers up on top, LED lights on the side for your porch light. It's got a hitch, towing is about 3,500 pounds. Backup camera is right up here. Sewer dumps right down below. That little exhaust is for your generator. It's a 2800 Awning microlight. It runs off your fuel tank. When it gets to a quarter, it will stop so you don't run yourself out. If you're going to dump your black tank, you can hook a hose here called the Santa Flush. It sprays in your tank and helps rinse out all the stuff in there to make sure your contacts read correctly. Here's your Truman exhaust. Now, unlike all the other ones, this produces very little heat, so you don't have to worry about being burned. Your tank fill, city fill, sewer hose right here, exhaust for your engine. Propane fill is down here, 110 shore cord, and cable hookup. Unleaded fuel opens like this. Now, if you got inside this unit and look forward, it's got the best view of any chassis. You can almost see down to the ground right in front of you. It's phenomenal how great the view is. This has a 10-foot tighter turning radius than a Sprinter chassis, so you can negotiate just like you would in a car. I know I've covered a lot of information, and I know that you've got questions. Call the van guy. Now, they don't put this on the screen like they're supposed to, so get ready to write it down. It's 541-554-9581, or my email at the bottom of the screen. Appreciate your interest. Have a good day.